I came to see Dr. LaRocco for lower back and upper back issues that I've been having for many years now. He's worked on me several times. I can already see a definite improvement in my mobility. In the pain has gone away in most cases. Any kind of question I may have for him, he's definitely able to answer it. He's got easy exercises I can do here in the office and at home. That's definitely helped me out a lot. I've also came here to see Amanda Flowers. I get needled for her. That's helped out a lot. That's for more direct trigger point therapy issues, and again has helped greatly in my back issues. Thank you for your help. In the couple times that we've seen each other, you've already done a great improvement, and I look forward to the future and less back pain and more mobility.